Hey everybody, it's Randy Rourke with Shoot the Grill Adventures. Today I want to talk about this product right here, and I think you all are going to be very amazed. Okay, the reason behind this, our local archery shop closed down about a month ago. Okay, so going to have to do some driving if I ever need anything done. So I decided to just go back to doing everything myself. And I can work on some of the team stuff also. And but I've watched a couple of YouTube videos about this piece of equipment right here, and I was getting ready to pay about $350 for a bow vise. It was a decent bow vise, and they go a lot higher than that. But when I seen this product, I decided, hey, I need to try it out, and I did, and I've used it on 4 of my bows right now. And here it is. It's from Rock Bros. Okay, and this thing can do anything that the other bow vices can do. You can do any tuning you need to do, string work, anything you need to do. Let me get a bow. Okay, see these blue ends, top and bottom? They're rubberized, so they're not going to hurt the finish on your bow, which is really good. But then all you gotta do is put it inside, cam lock it down, you're done. It's ready to do whatever you need to do. Okay, you can move it around, different positions. You can also, if you need to do some work on your strings or D-loops, you're good to go. And the best part, and the reason I wanted to share this with you, with all of you, is because this product is actually used for bicycles. You can mount it on the wall, to hang your bikes on, or you can make a workstation where you can work on your bike. And, well, you tell, I've got a sort of a portable unit right now. I've got it on a piece of ironwood, and I've just got it clamped to my desk. And if I need to get it out of the way, all I got to do is take the clamps off, store it away until I need it next time. But with it being able to move, I mean, I doubt I'll be moving it, to be honest. But the best thing about this unit, it only costs you $38. Okay, and you can get them on Amazon. Just look up Rock Bros, and you'll be able to find that unit. And this Randy Rourke from Shoot the Grill Adventures. We'll see you next time.